Well, this is where we're going. I'm heading, and you can just see the river down below. So it's a steep drop, but very doable. Looks very good. Some clouds way in the back there. I'm hoping that they, don't produce any rain, but give some nice diffused light. Let's call it that. Maybe they'll burn off a bit. Anyway, just thought I'd give you some of these great looking views. I tell you, this desert rock varnish is something to see. Okay, on the big descent now. So well, I made it to the bottom of the problem. Pretty easy, actually, if you're from British Columbia. Lots of mountains. Anyway, all along the creek here now. Just follow the creek and make your way along. And I can see the canyon starting to get a little more narrow, so that's a good sign. I like that. You have to cross the creek a couple times here, a couple times there, and back and forth. But other than that, just follow the well-defined trail that everybody, hundreds and hundreds or thousands, have done before. So that's about it, and that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Well, I just took a shot of this little set of falls just before the subway. It's kind of nice. Look at the tall canyon right up above it. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Anyways, what's the weirdest thing is I haven't met anybody yet. There's been nobody on the trail. So, pretty cool. Okay. Well, I've made it just before the subway, and here I am. I'm right at the notch, they call it, and I'm at F13 one second, and just gonna bring it down a little bit. Take a test shot. Oh, I know what I forgot to do. Gotta spin the circular polarizer. There we go. Alright. I love it. Just seeing the entrance now. Wow. Pretty damn cool. You know, and the funny thing is, I haven't seen anybody here so far. I'm either way early or maybe, I don't know. I'm just lucky so far. Anyway, follow along. I think that's worth a shot, eh? Let's stop and take a shot here. Gotta watch out for these holes here. They're last thing you want to do. Oh, sorry about that. Last thing you want to do is fall on one of these things. Might not make your day. Anyways, let's keep going. This is slippery here. Oh yeah. Oh, that was scary. So, the end of the subway. Definitely worth coming. Okay, let's have a look around. Nice. We'll get a shot of that. All right. Well, it's absolutely amazing here. Yeah, this is how nature could carve this out. Pretty cool. Anyway, let's start heading back. See that sign there, people? That is the sign you gotta look for. You go past this, you might be in trouble. But you do have a good hike going straight up to the parking lot. But we didn't miss it, so all was good. Well, I tell you, what a climb. Straight up. That's it. Came from down there, straight up, all the way up the creek, and right into the back of the canyon. Yeah, it's about a few miles, 4 miles. Anyway, did it. So, one more off the bucket list. Anyways, it's been a good hike. I just gotta catch my breath.